Tax professionals looking to upgrade their practice and secure IRS continuing education credits have a critical deadline approaching on June 26th. This workshop bypasses standard individual returns to focus entirely on the mechanics of complex corporate entities. Shifting your focus from basic 1040s to higher-tier corporate clients is the most direct route to scaling your practice revenue and locking in long-term client retention. The core curriculum zeroes in on advanced scenarios for S corporations and complex Schedule C filings. High-net-worth business clients rely heavily on precise S Corp structuring to mitigate their annual tax liability. We cover exact amendment protocols across Forms 1040, 1065, 1120, and 1120S. First, amend 1040 and Schedule C to fix errors and uncover deductions. Then, entities use 1065, 1120, and 1120S to adjust corporate burdens before liability flows to shareholders. Mastering these multi-form amendments separates a basic data entry preparer from a proactive strategic advisor who actively recovers capital for their clients. Executing these advanced structures legally requires vetted, IRS-compliant instruction. The curriculum is presented by Mayra Perez and instructed by Parra, a credentialed enrolled agent recognized by the IRS. Registration is set at $197, functioning as an all-inclusive investment in your practice. This graphic breaks down exactly what that fee covers: all proprietary class materials, lunch for the day, and verified IRS continuing education credits. By securing those CE credits and acquiring instruction manuals you can apply to client files the very next morning, that nominal fee yields an immediate return. This is a practical in-person workshop hosted at the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce in Silicon Valley, located in San Jose. Because this is a live venue, there is a hard cap on physical seating, and the June 26th deadline is approaching fast. Scan the QR code on screen or visit the provided link to secure your spot before the venue reaches full capacity and registration closes.